How to go live on TikTok while playing game. So if you want to go live on TikTok while playing game, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to go with profile, which is on the bottom right. Under profile, you need to tap on edit profile. Now once you're on your edit profile, you need to just scroll down, and here under edit profile you will have a section of category. So you need to tap on the category section. But if you don't find the category right here, you can go back. But if you have the category, you can go with category and then select gaming. And after that, you need to go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and you need to just go with the account section. Under account, make sure that you have a business account. So tap on switch to business account. And you need to switch your account to a business account. Tap on next, which is on the bottom, and then go with continue. And from here you'll be able to choose your category. If you're not being able to choose a category before, then now you can choose your category. You can select gaming and then go with next. And here you need to add your email address, or you can skip this part and go with visit business suite, and that's it. Now you can go back. Now once you've selected gaming, now you'll be able to go live. So you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. So here if you tap on the plus option, which is on the bottom middle, then you will have a live option. So you can tap on live and you'll be able to start your live. But in my case, I don't have 1,000 followers, which means I won't have the live option. But if you have the live option, you can tap on the live and you will have a gaming option. You can tap on gaming and then you can go and start your live. That's how you can go live on TikTok while playing your game. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.